Hi everybody, welcome to Truewants. This is a channel where we decide if we are going to change our want to become a need. But today's video is going to be a giveaway. So you will be able to make that decision without it costing you anything. All you've got to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel here, as well as my channel on Instagram, which is called Truewants with the number 2. So how do you subscribe to this channel? It's really easy. All you do is look underneath this video, and if the subscribe button is not red anymore, if it turned gray, you know that you are subscribed to my channel. You just have to make sure that you are public. What that means is YouTube, when we all set up our account, sets us all up as private, and it is up to us to change it to public. Why it needs to be public is a creator like myself does not know that you subscribe to the channel without you being public. We do not get any notifications or verification from YouTube. Our subscriber number will go up, but we won't know who that subscriber is. And I want to make sure that whoever is going to win any of the giveaways that we do on this channel, it's for someone that's supporting the growth of the channel. So that's the only thing you've got to make sure and check out, that you do that, okay? All right, we'll go through that again. I'm also going to leave under in the description box the 3 things that you need to do with me. It's very simple, the giveaways. It's subscribe here, follow me on Instagram, and then leave in the comments down below that you want to be entered in this giveaway. The reason I say that is a lot of people, and I appreciate it so much, leave me comments saying they already own this, or they share what they like about the product, so that other people can see if they truly want to be entered in this giveaway. Also with my giveaways, a lot of times they are just one item, so that it's an easy way for you to know if it's something you want to enter or not. The other thing is, in the comments, when you say you want to be entered into this giveaway, which we're going to call Crescent Moon, you have to make sure that your Instagram name is there, because when I choose the winner, I will do a video, but I will leave a note within the comment of this video that you won, as well as reach out to you through direct message on Instagram so that we can share personal information of addresses and things like that. And right now, everything is open for our US residents only, as I am a new channel. Okay, I received in the box a damaged product from Crescent Moon. And it is a higher end palette that had a manufacturer suggested retail for these 4 shades of around $45. And the price of it is really irrelevant to me. As you know, it's manufacturer suggested retail. If somebody wants to pay that for the full retail, that's up to them. It's their money. They spend it how they want. Anytime I fall in love with a brand, through a box that we've gotten for $20, $25, even $50. We didn't pay that full retail for the actual product, but it did introduce us to the product line, and now we know the name of this product. So if we do fall in love with the actual formulas and things like that, that's what I think. That's the best thing of how to measure if you like a product or not. And then you wait to see if it's a price that you want to spend, or if you wait for a sale from things like that. So that's what this is. So this one is called Cas Cosmetics, and it is 4 colors in here. This is the one that we just received. I haven't opened it yet. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it is in good condition, but I'm going to show you the one, and we're going to swatch the one that I have. Now, I pressed it back as best as I could, and I used it so sparingly that I didn't need the second one, no matter what the condition this one is, which we're going to check now. But they did write to me and say, and I saw a lot of other people that did receive the box from the month that this was in. They didn't send this out separately to me. They sent it out in the month that we're in to, I guess, you know, they didn't have to spend the extra dollars to send me out just one replacement product. So they sent it the damaged products replacement in the following month's box. So if you decided not to continue with that subscription, you would have not got a replacement product, and that's how their replacements work with the box. I want to share that with you guys as well. So inside here there is, I'm going to keep the plastic on it so you'll see what I mean, and there's a mirror on the inside, so I'm going to just cover that up, and I'm just gonna lift this up as best I can because like I said, this was the damaged one. So these three colors here were absolutely perfect. This one is a really soft, the consistency of it is exceptionally soft. So I pressed it in as best I could, and I was still able to use it and swatch it to you guys. So I want to make sure that we can use this one to show you, and then we'll open that one and keep our fingers crossed that it is in any condition that is not pristine. If that is of something to you that you don't want, then that's fine too. So like I said, I haven't opened it yet. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that it's good. So I'm going to swatch the colors that are here so you can see how gorgeous these colors are, and that's why I want to make sure to share this palette with you guys. So the first color here is called Calypso. It is a bluish color. The next one is New Moon. It is a darker color. Then we have Zenith, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous reddish pink color. And then the one that is called Aphila is the one that is this, it's got to be like a pressed, it's so beautiful, and they're so soft. That's what these colors look like. They are just gorgeous. So to me, these are like those pops of color that you fall in love with, and they're very hard to find, but they are beyond stunning. So irrelevant of what it cost, because it really didn't cost me $45, and it's definitely not going to cost you guys $45. So I just wanted to share those with you because I was so impressed with these colors, and they are so beautiful. It just blew me away. So like I said, I was able to push it back in the best that I could, and I was still able to use it, so I didn't want to keep a second one. So now we're going to keep our fingers crossed and open up this one and see how this one traveled. It came the same way in the extra, packaging within the box to make sure that it isn't. The outside packaging is just as beautiful. It will come with this sleeve as well. And let's see. Okay, this one is a little bit, but not as bad as mine was. And I don't want to touch anything. It does have that plastic cover on it as well. I'm going to pull that down so you guys can see. And that's what it looks like here. So if this is of interest to you, and you will know that when this is going to be shipped, I'm going to ship it as best I can in the same type of packaging with some extra foam to make sure that everything stays as compact as it can. But with that said, it already is being a little bit sensitive to the packaging, but it is a lot better than mine. But as you can see around the edges, it is already removing itself a little bit from the pan, but the other ones are all in perfect condition. So like I said, it is going to be in this package, within this package, and then again in a very tight sealed package like this in another box to make sure that it's not going to get any worse for wear than what it is right now. But to me, I think this is as pristine a condition as we're going to see this type of the way it is made, or whatever. It is such a delicate is the word I'm trying to look for, powder, that I want to make sure that you knew that that's what you're going to be getting. So if this is of interest to you, all you've got to do is in the comments write that you want to be part of the giveaway that's called Crescent Moon. Leave that in the comments along with your Instagram name, and that's all you got to do. I also would like everybody who is not interested in getting this giveaway that you still leave the comments that if you did receive this, if you've enjoyed it, if you didn't enjoy it, just share with the comments down below. I would love to know your feedback on how you enjoyed this palette or didn't enjoy this palette. I just would like to know. So that's what I would love. And if you are interested, like I said, just mark that you want to be part of the giveaway and with your Instagram name. Everything will be in the description box down below of when the date is that this is going to be, the winner is going to be announced. I will be doing a video when that day is, but all of that will be in the description box down below in this video. Everything else you should always check in my description box. I always forget to mention that if I get discounts or if I have links, whatever's going on, that as my channel grows and more people are approaching to pass on discounts or any type of compensation, which has been very, very little. That's all marked down below, and I share with you. I'm very transparent with everything on the channel. Every time a company reaches out to me, I always try to see if there's some form of a discount that we can both use, because I still purchase the same way that you do. So any discounts that I can get, I will definitely put down below. So always, when you see any of my videos, always check in the description box down below, because there might be something there, because I always get information, and as soon as I get it, I add it to the description box, so with all future videos, it'll be there. So I don't always mention it. So just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you're public. Make sure to go on Instagram and follow on Truewants too. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and make sure to leave in the comments that you want to be part of the Crescent Moon giveaway with your Instagram name. And that's it. So like I said, everything will be listed in the description box, so if I forget to say anything, it will be there. And good luck to everybody who is interested in this, and I will see the rest of you in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.